Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a video that they were watching and couldn't understand because they didn't talk, and they couldn't quite figure out how to do this. It's like a 3D effect. So they sent me the video, I watched it, and it was a little bit confusing. I am a visual person, but it also is a good time to be talking and make it a little bit quicker to learn, I guess. So we got some text. We're going to go to text, fit text to path, and put it on this path. Doesn't really matter where we put it. Now, if you go to object and convert it to a curve, it takes it off that circle, and we can just delete that circle. But because it's a curve, we can use the Extrude Tool, which is underneath your drop shadow, and right there to extrude, and just kind of grab your text and just move it ever so slightly. You don't want to move it too much. And then right up here, your extrude comes open. You know, your colors. You can change the background color to like a yellow. And then you can actually, you don't even have to do anything. You can right click to give that text an outline. After you click away from that, you can give it an outline, come to give it some dimension. And that's cool enough in itself. And I have played around with this for a year. We would never get to do this as a laser engraver, and that's what I am. But you could actually take this right here, and this is a little bit confusing how this rotates stuff around. You really got to kind of play with it. I need to actually get this thing off the center. But get your rotation, and you can look at it in two different, like really 3D looking looks. That doesn't look too cool, but if you look down up on it, that would look really cool on a t-shirt. So, you know, something like that. And maybe I extruded it too far, and you know, you wouldn't have to extrude it quite that far. Maybe let's back up here and see if we can back up just a little bit and get the Extrude Tool back. And go down here, get your Extrude Tool. You've got to be clicked on something for it to come up, and see your tools aren't there because you haven't extruded anything yet. And I think that's what maybe their problem was. And I went a little bit too far, and I think you could, you know, well, that's even further. I honestly haven't played around with this much, but then right here you can pick your color of your background and go right here, and we'll pick a yellow again because it'll look pretty cool. And that doesn't work. Well, y'all saw me just do it. I think this is the background color. This would maybe be your outline color. There we go. Now it's working. And then you could put an outline on it, hopefully. But you could just do it once you get away from the Extrude Tool. Just click off your pick tool, and you can actually make those lines thicker than a hairline. You know, make them a half a point, give them a little bit more justice. And then right here is your rotation. I've done this with a lot of stuff that I've extruded. And I mean, you could do a lot with that on a t-shirt or a cup or a sublimation type person that can do it on a, you know, somebody's logo. And anyway, fun little project. I thank that person for sending me that video, and I looked into it, and I just followed what he did, but I put words to it. Hopefully it's a little bit better. Thank you for watching.